Welcome to Fuji Electric's training module. In this video, we will talk about manual motor starters. Manual motor starters have a combination function of a circuit breaker and a thermal overload relay. The MMS can protect against short circuits, overcurrents, phase loss, and overloads. Using an MMS will directly impact the space you'll use and the amount of wiring you'll do. Fuji Electric's MMS are COL listed as horsepower rated motor controllers, and COL listed per group installation regulations of NEC, more specifically the NEC 430-53C. The main application of the MMS is motor control. Looking at the diagram below, you can see the reduced space, wiring, and components in the group installation. You can find more information by visiting our website americas.fujielectric.com and clicking on Distribution and Control. Once there, please click on Support to visit our support page. You can then download our manual motor starter catalog for more information. Now let's look at the product line. We have two frame sizes, 32 amps or BM3R type and our 63 amps or BM3V type. Our 32 amp frame comes with a 45mm width body and 15 current ranges, while our 63 amp frame comes with a 55mm width body and 9 current ranges available. Here's our part number structure for the MMS. It starts with the product category, frame size, breaking capacity, operating characteristic, and then the rated current code. The breakdown can be seen at page 14 of the catalog US EH350B or the blue catalog. You can also locate the part number in front of the MMS. We have a variety of accessories available for the MMS, such as auxiliary contact blocks, shunt trips, and external operating handles. These can be located on page 15 to 17 of the blue catalog. You can also find the accessory configuration, ratings, and wiring diagrams on page 18 to 24